nature.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will someone like to read?
मैम प्रखर बोल रहा है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे कि मैम से बोलो मीटिंग लॉग बता रहे हैं।
मीटिंग ब्लॉग बता रहा है।
एक दूसरा है ना 10:05 PM 10:05 AM वाला।
हाँ वही तो।
यस मैम।
वो तो मीटिंग
वही तो
10 o'clock वाला मीटिंग एंड हो गया। प्रखर को बता दो।
क्या?
ओके।
We instinctively turn to outdoor activities and nature as a way of relaxing and enhancing our well-being. Nature soothes and nurtures. Nature fulfills and motivates. Nature whispers and commands. Are you listening? When I do, it leaves me in complete away. We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight, a flower blooms on it, big, bright, and tender. Through the day, it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. But as evening approaches, it starts whittling. The morning after, it withers completely, and by the evening, it falls and becomes one with the earth again. The flower comes to life only for a day, yet it does so in full splendor. What if we too lived our life, however short, to its fullest?
Okay. What is alchemy of nature? Here, what the writer is telling. We instinctively turn to outdoor activities and nature as a way of relaxing and enhancing our well-being.
मैम इंस्टिंक्टिवली का मतलब
enhancing, it is enhancing. Enhancements to add something. enhance करना मतलब किसी चीज को बढ़ाना, जैसे enhancing the beauty of this landscape enhances the beauty of the nature. Means added something to the given thing. Understood? Prakhar, what happened? पासवर्ड मांग रहा है। आप 10-5 वाले मीटिंग पे आ जाओ ना।
यस मैम, दोनों पे मांग रहा है।
दोनों पे पासवर्ड? मोस्ट सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर।
मैम 10:05 वाले पे नहीं मांग रहा था।
यस
फिर से एक बार 10:05 वाले पे लॉगिन करके देखो, उस ये स्टार्ट करके देखो, ज्वाइन करके, नहीं मांगेगा पासवर्ड।
मैम कर रहे हैं, नहीं हो रहा।
एक बार तुम पहले वहां से ये हो जाओ,
रीलोड कर लो एक बार वर्चुअल क्लास का जो है।
हाँ। और 2-3 students are there. One is Prabhat Singh. I am going to remove. हाँ प्रखर, you try to join. You will be able to join it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Another is Prabhat plus Singh. I don't know. Okay. Rest of so many students are there. 41 participants are there. I don't think there should be any problem. So how we were doing? Nature soothes and nurtures. Do you know what is the meaning of nurture?
To care.
Yes, to care. Nature fulfills and motivates. Nature whispers and commands. Yeah. Nature, what if we feel some relaxation? If we want some relaxation, we want to go out. Why we want to go out? Because we want to just enjoy fresh nature. Isn't it? So here nature fulfills and motivates. We get so many things from the nature. And nature whispers and commands. At many times you will find that nature commands. Do you think nature commands? When we do something wrong, what happens? Sometimes,
Ma'am, nature commands through its consequences.
Yes. Sometimes nature punishes us. Punishes us or not? When earthquake,
punishes us.
Yeah, when earthquake,
like earthquake, tornadoes.
So many things are there. When a flood comes, when in this way, when earthquake comes, sometimes when landslide,
volcanic eruption.
Yes, so many ways are there. When we disturb the nature, we get punishment for that. Are you listening? When I do, it leaves me in complete app. For AWE, what is the meaning? Just try to find the meaning. Its meaning is very common. Did anyone get the meaning?
I'm feeling of respect or fear or admiration.
Yes, feeling of respect. Fear is not fear means fear mixture with respect. वो एक जैसे we ape God. हम लोग भगवान से भी डरते हैं ना? Do we have respect also? So in this way, we have a hibiscus.
Yes.
We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight, a flower blooms on it, big, bright, and tender. Through the day, it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. But as evening approaches, it starts wilting. What is the meaning of wilting? Losing freshness and
drooping.
Losing freshness and drooping.
Yes. It starts wilting. The morning
मैम वेटिंग रूम चेक कर लीजिए.
Yes. Prakhar also came.
मैम वो सब क्लास के लिंक से आए हैं.
क्लास के लिए क्लास में क्या लिंक शेयर किए हो?
मैम हम लोग में पासवर्ड मांग रहा था. यस मैम.
Okay, but I don't know what happened yesterday. This type of problem generally takes place when we have 2 classes at a time. कभी कभी होता है ना कि एक क्लास सो नहीं करता, उसी बीच में दूसरी क्लास टीचर ये कर देते हैं, जनरेट कर देते हैं और बाद में वो दोनों क्लासेस शो करने लगती. Then this type of problem takes place. But this problem was not here. Only one class was showing and still it was asking for password. Okay, it doesn't matter. Problem solved. Do you know what is called hibiscus?
Hibiscus is the type of flower.
The type of flower which has
a flower.
4 petals.
What is Hindi name for that?
Gulhal.
Yes. Hibiscus flower, everyone might have seen. Have you people seen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How long the flower leaves? Flower की life कितनी होती है?
Ma'am, don't know.
Not more than a day. If you will see the flower, घर में भी देखते होगे. If mother has offered the flower to the idol of some lords or gods or goddess. A morning it is fresh, but by the evening you will find that it has lost its freshness, and after that it seems that it had died. Does it look ऐसा ही दिखता है ना? Everyone might have seen it.
मैम लेकिन अगर उसको तोड़ा नहीं जाए तो 1 हफ्ता तक टिक जाता है।
पेड़ में नो, पेड़ में भी देखोगे दूसरे प्लांट्स कुछ फ्लावर्स ऐसे होते हैं that will remain fresh for some days, जैसे मैरीगोल्ड का ये फ्लावर होता है, फिर एक आध ये होता है जैसे तुम्हारा
तो पानी में रखेंगे तो 1 दिन से ज्यादा रह जाएगा।
हाँ, तो मैक्सिमम अगर बहुत उसको सपोर्ट पे भी रखते हो तो यू विल जस्ट ट्राई। किसी के घर में अगर हिबिस्कस का प्लांट है तो फ्लावर को देखना कितने दिन तक उसके फ्रेशनेस को आप प्रिजर्व कर पाते हो। ओके, सो व्हाट डज द राइटर want to say over here? He wants to say that span of life is not important. Life कितना लंबा है ये important नहीं है। Life कितना मतलब लाइफ को कितने ढंग से enjoy किया गया, लाइफ को कितने ढंग से उसकी यूज की गई, that is important. How you have what is it's telling that just look, we have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight a flower blooms on it, big, bright and tender. Through the day it smiles with the sun on it, big, bright, tender. Means it gives pleasure to the others. Through the day it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. But as evening approaches, it starts wilting. The morning after, it withers completely, and by the evening it falls and become one with the earth again. Means second day, first day it is very fresh and give happiness give pleasure to all who looks at it. But after a day it again destroys and become part of the earth. It blooms with the earth and after a day becomes part of the earth. Flower comes to life only for a day. It does so in full splendor. So it doesn't matter how his life was, how short its life was, but it gave pleasure to the all who looked at it. It didn't weep that he had got life, it had got life for just a day. What if we too lived our life? So the writer is telling that if we lived our life in this way, however short, to its fullest, means doesn't matter how long or short our life is, we should enjoy, we should use, we should make use. What is the use of our life? Can anyone tell me?
To explore things, places.
Someone else? You might
as if the life were out of
Do
them.
good to the humanity.
They both came to life.
to do
But
good to
the
the
personality
humanity.
of
That according, this line is also mentioned in the first chapter, that is 3 questions. The main purpose of our life is to do good to the humanity. So the writer wants that we should also live in this way. We should not just weep for small things. Next, who will read?
I'm Shivangi.
Okay,
Kritir.
start. Okay, first Shivangi, then Kritir. Okay.
We went to a rocky beach and saw the spread of the majestic ocean and the rocks alongside, carved, sculpted, and shaped by the water. Water is so soft, rocks so hard, yet as the water flows over it every day, for years the rocks gives in, it takes the shape that the water commands. Our problems are so colossal and we are so small, yet if we persist, we saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter months. We thought its chapter was over. But 3 months passed, spring set in, and the tree was back to its green majesty, once again full of leaves, flowers, birds, and life. What if we too had the conviction that however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever? Remember, this too shall pass. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times an ant's size. The ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on their frail feelers, and carried it through quite a distance. Their teamwork and perseverance were impressive. What if we too are consistent, organized, focused?
Very good.
Spider.
Just stop over here. Will someone tell what does the writer want to say? Where does it go? Where does he go? He went to the. Where did he go?
I think the writer wants to say that our problem. It doesn't matter how immense our problem is, but our tribe will make it a bit smaller.
Our approach should be
make us
positive.
Successful.
Yeah. Our approach should be positive. Situation may be difficult. Situation may be demotivating, but you should not be demotivated.
Ma'am, problems can be solved easily by team. Ma'am, problems can be solved by teamwork, like ants.
Yes. How small the ant looks, but together ant works as a team, and it can carry anything. They can do whatever they wish to do. Next. Kritir was turn was there,
yes.
na? Okay.
Spider webs are delicate, yet very strong. A rainbow colors the entire sky, oysters take in a grain of sand and open up with a pearl. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. The wind makes the trees dance with unhindered passion. Water without a hint of ego changes its form according to the delicates of the sun and the wind. When we see a caterpillar turn into a butterfly, a flower turn into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves.
Very good. What is the meaning of alchemy? Do you know? Anyone can tell me?
Ma'am, in this chapter, ma'am, alchemy means the magic that can change things.
Yes. You might have heard one in, if your granny is there, she might have told you that. Do you know cow dung?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is said that if लाइटनिंग, वो ये जब बारिश होने के पहले बिजली चमकता है ना, तो इट इज पहले ऐसा बोला जाता था कि अगर काउडंग के ऊपर बिजली गिर जाए तो इट वुड कन्वर्ट इनटू गोल्ड. आई थिंक इट इज जस्ट गोल्ड, सोने में वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, ऐसा मतलब ये पहले के लोगों का मतलब ऐसी धारणा थी. बट आई थिंक साइंटिफिकली इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो ऐसी ही चीजों को एल्केमी बोलते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ एल्केमी का मतलब वो नहीं है. हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ एल्केमी इज दैट if things are done properly with full dedication, devotion, and with full passion, magic will take place. Magic will happen.
Ma'am, in nature it doesn't matter that how size you have, means it is either small or big.
Yeah.
But trying and practice can make the success.
In your childhood days, you might have heard a story that one peasant was there, and one day he told his he had 4 sons, and he told his all the sons that he had hidden treasure in the field. उसका बहुत बड़ा field था, और he told that he has hidden treasure, and he has forgotten where was the place where he has he has kept it. And his all the sons, they were very lazy. But as he told that he had forgotten the place where he has kept the treasure, everyone wanted the treasure, so they started digging the field. They dug the field completely. After that, nothing was found. And when nothing was found, the father said,
क्या बता रही हैं, फिर से बताइए.
What happened? वो एक स्टोरी थी बहुत पहले, तुम लोग शायद सुने होगे. इट्स जस्ट स्टोरी. बचपन में पंचतंत्र की कहानियां ये सब होता है ना, उसी सब में एक स्टोरी हुआ करती थी. That one peasant was there. He had 4 sons. All the sons were very lazy, and peasant was always very much anxious that how will they manage all the field. And also one day he thought of an idea. Now he was at deathbed. उसकी तबीयत बहुत खराब थी, तो उसके दिमाग वो अपने चारों means he called all the sons and told that he had kept treasure in the field. He has hidden it, and he forgot the place where he has kept it. So he just insisted all the sons to go and dig the earth. They also wanted the treasure, so they started digging the earth. The whole field was dug, but nothing was found. Then father said, okay, I'm very sorry, I forgot where I had kept it. I don't. So now you have dug the field, so just throw some seeds on it. The seeds were thrown, and after a few months, they got good crop. So do you think, why did the peasants say so? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, to make their sons perfect.
They want. He wanted to show that gold is there in the nature.
He wanted to obtain the treasure.
Yes. Real treasure. What was the real
treasure? The treasure about which he was talking.
No, there was no treasure. There was no treasure indeed.
Ma'am, the real treasure of nature.
That was real treasure of nature, real gold of nature.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, by this, his child become hard worker.
Yes, they understood that this is the real gold. Hard work is the real gold. So the same story is here in the chapter Alchemy of Nature. One question is hot. Who teaches us the following? Humanity, passion, combining strength with delicacy.
Humility, water, passion, tree, and combining strength with delicacy, ants.
Yes. Nature, next, thoughts. Nature is the supreme artistic creation of God. Collect 3 examples from the Alchemy of Nature in support of this statement and write them in a space provided below. Did you find? Three examples are there. One example is of ant.
Another of a flower.
Hibiscus. And what is the third one? We saw a tree.
And water being so soft breaks the rock into pieces.
That is also, and another a bare tree for all a bare tree of all leaves into cold winter months. The example of patience. Is it there? So many examples are there in this. You can write them. Here it is shown the alchemy. Meaning of alchemy is also given. A type of chemistry that seeks to turn other metals into gold. Life skill. Will you do it yourself? Rocks, splinters, oyster, stars. What are the observations? Was it written about rock?
आप life skills और values करवा रही हैं?
Just I am discussing. Questions will not, no question will come from these things, but they are good for writing practice. And one is there, nature, what is written?
Ma'am, nature a great teacher.
Yes. Do you think nature is the great teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you write an article on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So, should we switch over to the next chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
What is there in the next chapter? The cherry tree.
10 things you can do to help protect our environment.
Okay. Yes. Who will read?
Ma'am, Kritir.
Kritir, I think you have read.
Sarthak.
Sarthak, you have read or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then Sarthak, you start.
Fill in the blanks using the words given below.
Yeah.
Dash or ride a bike instead of asking for a ride.
Yeah. Think of it.
Walk.
Walk.
Yes.
Walk.
Yes. Next.
Don't dash put your dash in the beans provided. Ma'am, don't rub it.
In the bins provided. Ma'am, don't throw, put your litter in the bins provided.
Yes, don't throw, put your litter in the bins provided. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, save newspapers for
Recycling.
Very good. Next.
Reusable नहीं हो जाएगा?
अच्छा चलो,
reusable
नहीं, न्यूज़पेपर को
सेंटेंस के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा।
हाँ, अच्छा चलो, अभी यहाँ पे डाउट हो रही है ना, तो we will switch over to the next question and we will come वहाँ पे देखते हैं reusable, next use of reusable.
use dash sides of your writing and drawing dash.
Use both sides of your writing and drawing.
Use both sides of your writing and drawing paper.
हाँ, very good.
Be sure to turn off all water taps tightly.
Very good. Next.
When you leave a room, be sure
to switch off the lights.
Very good.
To switch off the lights.
Very good.
Don't let dash run when you brush your teeth.
Ma'am, don't let the water run when you brush your teeth.
Yes. Very good.
क्या है आंसर?
वाटर। जैसे हम लोग नल खोल देते हैं, एक हैबिट बहुतों की होती है ना, बहुत ही बैड हैबिट है कि जितनी देर हम लोग ब्रश करते हैं हम लोग वाटर टैप को ओपन रखते हैं, और दैट इज वेरी बैड। हम लोगों को वाटर ब्रशिंग के लिए कितना जरूरत होता है? 1 लीटर 2 लीटर, इससे ज्यादा तो नहीं। बट व्हेन यू आर ब्रशिंग योर टीथ एंड केप्ट योर water tap open, you will misuse lots of water. Next.
Don't dash rubbish down the toilet.
Yes. Think of it.
मैम उसके नीचे का 2 करने के बाद तो सिर्फ उसके लिए एक ही वर्ड बचता है, वो रबिश है।
यस मैम।
एक मिनट, नहीं यहाँ पे, हाँ उसको अभी
शायद मैम जो बी में किए हैं डोंट थ्रो पुट योर लेटर इन द बिन्स प्रोवाइडेड, यहाँ रबिश होना चाहिए। और
उसमें रबिश होगा मैम, बी वाला में।
यस मैम, यहाँ रबिश होगा,
एक मिनट नंबर 2
एच वाले में होगा डोंट थ्रो रबिश।
पुट योर रबिश इन द बिन्स प्रोवाइडेड। हाँ, यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं डोंट थ्रो पुट योर रबिश इन द बिन्स प्रोवाइडेड। तो यहाँ पे ये क्या कर, नेक्स्ट डोंट,
मैम इसमें लिटर करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, डोंट लिटर,
डाउन द टॉयलेट।
यस
यस, हाँ, डोंट थ्रो रबिश डाउन द टॉयलेट। नेक्स्ट,
use dash cups and plates instead of paper ones.
reusable cups and plates। अभी हम लोगों की एक हैबिट हो गई है ना, we use disposable cups and plates। हाँ, नेक्स्ट
मैम लेकिन में जहाँ थ्रो यूज किए थे वहाँ क्या करें?
मैम वहाँ लेटर होना चाहिए मैम।
हाँ, वो तो
put your rubbish in the bin।
हाँ, don't litter, put your rubbish in the bins provided। मतलब don't
मैम
litter।
रबिश और लिटर मैम ये दोनों नाउन और वर्ब दोनों की तरह यूज हो सकता है।
don't litter, यहाँ पे don't litter मतलब गंदा मत करो, ठीक है? Put your rubbish in the bins provided। Understood?
मैम कंप्लीट हो गया ये।
हाँ, ये तो कंप्लीट हो गया, and I think time is also about to complete, isn't it?
Yes ma'am।
1 minute is left।
Yes,
Here listen to an article why we should take care of the river Ganga. Did you get CD? CD तुम लोगों को मिला था?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मिला है.
हाँ, तो you वहाँ पे I think you will get in the voice shoot. What was the question?
हम इसको पढ़ भी सकते हैं पेज नंबर 93 में.
So better we have some time. So why don't we read page number 93? Page number after cherry tree. Oh, here it is.